happened to you?
Sue, it was horrible. Just terrible. An earthquake or a meteor fall. I'm lucky to be alive.
Oh, silly Sam. Those were just workers fixing our roof.
Susie, I was so scared my armpits got all sweaty.
Sam, how can you have sweaty armpits if you don't have arms?
I got scared, I forgot. But look, my forehead is all sweaty, Sue.
Oh, poor Sammy.
Guys, have you ever been through something interesting? Share your stories in the comments. Oh, look, Sue! What an interesting and unusual stone. I want to keep it to remind me of today's event.
Sure, Sam. I have a lovely idea how to make a work of art out of this stone to decorate our home.
Yay!
I'll get everything ready for our craft, and you, my friend, should go wash yourself.
Guys, I'll be just a moment. And while I'm gone, subscribe to our channel and give the video a thumbs up. Wow! It's so clean here now, as if nothing has happened. Sue, you're amazing.
Well, rule number 1, a working place should always be tidy.
I agree with you, Sue. I wish I could do that. Well, come on now, I really want to learn your stone secret.
First, I need to apply some white glue on the surface of the stone. Nice and even. Just like this. There. Then, I'll take this picture and place it on the stone covered with the glue. Now, it's really important to press down really well to make sure the drawing stays there, and then we leave it to dry.
Sue, can it be any picture at all?
Of course, Sam. Anything you want.
Wow, cool!
Sam, Earth to Sam. Are you with us?
Yes, Sue, I'm here. Guys, which unusual outfits have you worn to take a photo? Write in the comments. I really want to know. So, what's next?
Well, our picture is dry, and we need to wet the paper now. Just apply some water with the sponge all over the surface. And now, we need to carefully remove the paper layer, just until the image is visible on the stone. And then let it dry after that. Voila! Our work of art is ready!
Oh, this is so cool, Susie. You're amazing.
Hey guys, give it a try. Experiment with different stones and images. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like the idea. Bye!